So guys, this error code is a network related issue. So in this video, I will show you everything what you need to do here to basically fix this issue. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what I suggest to do here is to open up Test Manager. Then you need to go to a startup performance, 3 dots, resource monitor, then go to network and make sure disable all the tasks that you don't use while you play the game that it uses a lot of your network data. Just right click on them that you don't use and process and do that. Then what you need to do here, you need to open up browser. Then you need to write Rainbow Six Siege server status and then look if the server is not down on your platform. If it's down, you just need to wait. If it's not down, we can proceed with other steps. Then what you need to do here is to test your internet speed and look what numbers are you getting. If you're getting good numbers, you can proceed with other steps. If not, maybe restart your router, limit some devices, or simply, if there is a possibility, use Ethernet cable. Then what you need to do here, you need to open up CMD, right click on it, run as admin. Then you need to look for and write IP config /flush DNS. Another command is nesh winsock reset. And after that, close this window here, go to settings, and then go to network and internet, advanced network settings. If you have Wi-Fi, not Wi-Fi, VPN on your computer, make sure that it's not enabled. Then go to network reset and reset your network. If you're using Wi-Fi, you need to put your Wi-Fi password again. And if you're using Ethernet cable, don't worry, you don't need to do here nothing. Then what you need to do here is to go to control panel. Then you need to look for network and sharing center, change adaptive settings, right click on your internet, go to properties, double click on internet protocol version 4, use the following DNS server addresses, and on preferred DNS server write 8.8.8.8 and on alternate 8.8.4.4 and apply the changes. Then what you need to do here is to just go to GP edit, write run, or press Windows and I key, then write gpedit.msi. Then what you need to do here is to go to Windows settings, then click on policy base QoS, right click on it, advanced QoS policy, DSCP marking override, control, ignored, okay. Then you need to press right click, create new policy, write Rainbow 6, then here select 46, then go to Steam, right click on Rainbow 6, properties, install files, browse, and here you need to look for exe file. Press view, then press show, make sure file name extensions is enabled, scroll all the way down until you see Rainbow Six Siege exe, and then you just need to rename it, copy the name, then paste it here, next, only applications with this executable name, paste it here, write exe.exe, next, select any source IP address, any destination IP address, next, then select here TCP and UDP and finish. And then look if the problem persists or not. If the problem persists, copy of the path of the exe file, then go to a Windows Defender Firewall, allow an app or feature, right click on it, change settings, allow another app, browse, paste, and add exe. If you're getting this message, don't worry because exe file is already added, and then add a BE as well here. And then what you need to do here is to go to virus and threat protection, select manage settings, exclusions, select folder, here add an exclusion folder, then paste the path again and add a folder and look if the problem persists or not. And if nothing is working, I highly advise you to use ExitLag. It has free trial, 72 hours, and the best part of it, you don't need to put credit card details. You just need to register an account through my link in the description below, or not through my link, it really doesn't matter. And then you just need to log into your account, download a client, and then what you need to do here is to go to Dota 2, not Dota 2, Rainbow Six. Then what you need to do here is choose region and server. And also it will help with lag, high ping, and packet loss as well. Select your region, then apply routes, launch the game, and the issue should be solved. So yeah, that's basically it. Try this and see if it's working for you or not in my description below. And it will be with the payments. Do not press and do not put your credit card detail or PayPal or whatsoever. On the bottom should be register an account. Just register a free account and then go to the dashboard of your particular account. And then on the left side will be a download ExitLag, and then you can try 72 hours and look if this program will fix your problem or not. So yeah, that's basically it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.